Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have came up with a video on an interesting travel and fashion startup, Undrace. So at first when I heard about Undrace and their problem statement, I personally found it very surprising and moreover interesting that in this fast moving world, there are many simple but important problems you can solve and make your startup earn money and bring customers like Undrace. So starting with the introduction of today's startup, Undrace was founded in 2014 by Dennis Keiko in April Estrada and based in San Diego. Undrace is basically a startup from travel industry, but it's very interesting to see they have their place in fashion industry too. Now let me tell you the problem statement of Undrace. So what the actual problem they are solving? One finds it difficult to change his/her clothes in public place, especially women, because many times women had to change in their cars or behind towels or hide in bushes or in a dirty public restroom to change their clothes when they are going out of their home for different purposes. So what's the solution to above problem statement by Andres? Andres is committed to making it easier for women worldwide to live an active lifestyle. Their flagship product, also titled the Undress, is a fashionable mobile changing room that allows women to change clothes in public without ever getting naked. Undress is more than just a dress. It's a system that has many proprietary features to help you change clothes without ever getting naked. So explaining their solution further in a simple way, they have their quick and easy guide. So at first, slip into the undress and guide the dress underneath your top. Second, remove your bottoms using the patented side access opening. Third, remove your top and you are done. Fourth, to redress into a new outfit, simply reverse the process. So now let me tell you how useful undress is for customers. So for travelers, it's super comfortable for long flights and versatile enough for all occasions. Also, especially for women when they are out for beach, the undress is world's best cover up and is perfect for all water activities. For runners, they want the freedom to run wherever they want, whether or not there is a restroom or parking lot nearby. So they use undress to make pre and post run change easy. Even sometime in some studios, the bathroom line at the studio is too long or dressing rooms are non-existent. The undress has you covered, whether indoors or out. Also, if you are outdoors for hiking, you can change anywhere rather than making awkward tent changes or bush searching. Last, many customers can use undress as a day-to-day dress as it is comfortable, lightweight and beautiful. So now let me tell you funding raised by Undress. The founders of Undress, Dennis and April, launched their record-breaking Kickstarter in fall 2014 and raised more than $615,000 in pledges to fund the initial production run of the Undress. Their campaign currently stands as Kickstarter's most funded women's fashion project, most funded dress, and the top 3 most funded fashion project of all time. So today, I came up with a video on an interesting fashion and travel startup, Undress. I will be discussing more and more things about different startups and strategies all the time in my videos. So keep watching, keep learning, and keep sharing.